folks, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me. This is the last video in my mini Clubman restoration project. Today we're just doing the final touches, which is to apply the gold bonnet stripes. This car is a replica of a mini Mayfair 50 years special edition, and it's the one of one mini Clubman Mayfair 50 special editions. Should be pretty unique, I think. Anyway, we're taking it to Lincolnshire Tints in Barton to see Grant, and he's going to put the stripes on for us, and then the project's finished. Since the last video, you can see I've added the 50 years anniversary badge on the front grille. I've also added brand new fog light units with amber bulbs and the two spotlights with the new front grille and the new chrome trim. I bought these stripes on eBay and Grant's just doing the fitting for me.
That's better. I feel like that's going to be there to there, there to there. For the stuff that
if you've seen the previous video, then you'll know that Grant also did the white vinyl roof and the dark smoke tinted windows.
I want to do it.
The instructions advise you to use water so that you can slide the stripes around, but I think Grant's done this so many times that he's quite comfortable just to put them straight onto the car.
Yeah, first bit down.
Well done.
Easy as that.
The Mini Mayfair Special Editions launched in 2009 actually came in two colours. There was the brown, the chocolate brown with gold stripes, as you see here, and they also did a white with gold stripes as well. The 50 years Special Edition Clubman was the Mini Hampton, which was in a very dark, almost black blue, and a black leather interior with red piping. I wanted a Cooper S automatic, and apparently there are only 17, and I couldn't find one for sale, so that's why I ended up going for this project.
Get some of these out. And then we'll, what you will find, well, if you do get any air that creeps into it, it will disappear because the vinyl is an air drain. So I'll get out a lot of the big ones. If anything does creep back, it will go.
I read all the reviews and they're really good, so I think I'll give it a shot.
Tease any more out if there is anything. Oh no, you won't anyway. It's just these will disappear over time anyway. But while it's here, you might as well. Yeah, see what we can. But if you put temporary bonnet, sorry.
Having got the base gold stripe down, the next step is to apply the white pinstripes, and that looked a particularly finicky job. Nice to see a craftsman at work. That didn't take long, and I'm very pleased with the finished result. It looks just factory. Big thank you to Adrian. You can get his details in the description. So, off to get something to eat. Heading back towards Scunthorpe and Trotter's Traders. We need to pick up a few things. So I've got my cheeseburger and onions and a fish finger wrap. So while we enjoy our quick lunch, have a look around the car and see what you think. Let me know. It's exactly as I envisioned. You know, I had my idea and put it together, and I'm really pleased with the way it's come out. I've got the car that I desired. It's not about the money. I'll list out exactly what it's cost me to do this renovation, but all in all, you know, I'm really pleased with what I've got for my money. It's unique. It's a one-of-one mini Mayfair Clubman. It's come a long way since the day I bought it. I'll include some pictures so you can compare it now. The back door was rusty, the handle was rusty, the trim was hanging off, the rear bumper itself was all cracked. The roof had this old decal on it, and it was a black vinyl wrap anyway, and it was worse for wear, and actually the trim didn't fit properly either. There were lots of dinks and scratches around the front of the car and the sides, and the engine was a bit of an oil burner. The turbo was blowing oil, the downpipe was blowing, so a lot of work. The bodywork included lots of new trims. The back doors came off and were completely finished properly and resprayed. The front was resprayed, the side was resprayed, and of course we added the Mayfair badging and trims all around as well. The only thing on the interior was a new speaker cover and a new door strap. I haven't detailed the inside of the car yet, but we will get round to bringing that back to new. What I like about this car is we've got all the fun of the Mini Cooper S. We've got the added comfort of the lounge interior and the extra space that the Clubman provides, being within the hatchback. It makes a big difference. Brown, not everybody's cup of tea, but I actually like it. So together with the wood trim, gives it a little bit of a luxury classic feel, and it comes up beautifully in the sunshine. Lovely reflective paintwork, and I think those gold stripes just set it off lovely now. We've got the gold carbon wrapped John Cooper Works style exhaust tips. The Mayfair badge on the back door replaces the Mini badge, and we've painted the bumpers in the same chocolate brown as the rest of the bodywork. The wheels are Lenzo Eagle 3 17 by 7.5J 35 offset. Obviously haven't had a chance to detail it properly yet, but we'll be doing that soon. Get a nice machine polish and wax, and yeah, it should look great. So what has it cost me to get it this far? Not the best use of my money, but having said that, it is a project car, it's been my hobby, and I've really enjoyed doing it. It's cost me $8,800 to get it to this point. Let me go through that with you. The engine needed a lot of work. I took it to Adrian at Tyre and Tech, and he fitted a new turbo, and as you can see from this list here, quite a few other bits and pieces. So just over £1,170, not including labour, on the engine. The bodywork, the largest proportion of which was repairs and paint being very expensive now. Lots and lots of pieces of trim, and a new handle for the back door, vinyl roof, and the Mayfair seals and side indicators, which I bought in Canada for £200. Add to that the labour, £918. I'm very happy with all the work that's been done, and I've got the car that I wanted. Okay folks, well thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please do give me a like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll always answer your comments. And anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.